Welcome to Postalocity Videos. This is the next video in our series of how-to videos to help you become more familiar with Postalocity and its capabilities. In this video, I will be demonstrating how to make corrections to your addresses after you've processed your job. So let's start. After you have completed step 1 by accepting the sample proofs, you will go to step 2 where you can make corrections to your delivery addresses. You'll see on the screen here that we have 8 addresses verified as good domestic addresses. And over on the right side, you will see we have 2 addresses that are in low chance of delivery. So we need to fix them. Just click on the low chance of delivery and it will open up the mail piece correction screen. And as it loads, we can see 2 addresses. One is for addressee 10 for 75 East Maxwell Drive, West Hartford, Connecticut. Now, looking at that, it looks like a good address, but I think we might have misspelled Maxwell. So in this one, we're going to go ahead and make a correction here. Put in an X and see if that's correct. And it's corrected it. So Maxwell was the correct spelling with an X. It is now returning a code of 31 single response. That is a good address. So now we're going to click over here on address 3. And you see New Jersey Avenue. So it looks like we've misspelled avenue. So we're going to come down here and we're just going to make an adjustment and spell avenue correctly and see if it'll correct it. So it's sending it to the post office database to verify the address, and it came back as a good domestic address. So after we're done with that, we go back to job, and you'll notice that we now have in the good domestic addresses 10 good addresses. So now you have seen how to make a correction to an address so you can get all your addresses into good domestic addresses. Sometimes it's not a misspelling. Sometimes you have a bad address, in which if you have an address database in your company, you can verify that. You can do a Google search. There's a lot of ways you can look it up, and sometimes you can't fix the address. And addresses in low chance of delivery and extremely low chance of delivery do have a chance of being delivered to your intended addressee, but we can't guarantee it. Therefore, you do pay the full postage price. You do not get a discounted postage rate. But that is how to correct an address and what happens. So thank you very much. And if you have any questions on how to use Postalocity or anything else, feel free to call our help desk, which is located on the bottom of every screen, in the bottom right corner, in your Postalocity system. Thank you very much. Have a good day.